Atmospheric River (AR) event. In April 2025, the US experienced heavy rain, strong winds, and thunderstorms due to an AR, highlighting the increasing attention on this phenomenon due to climate change. Definition: ARs are rivers in the sky, narrow bands transporting large amounts of water vapor from tropical oceans to continental regions. The Pineapple Express is a notable example. Characteristics: ARs can be up to 1,600 kilometers long and 400 to 600 kilometers wide, carrying water vapor equivalent to the Mississippi River's flow, or up to 15 times more in stronger cases. Categorization: ARs are categorized from Category 1, weak, beneficial, to Category 5, exceptional, hazardous, based on their impact, with higher categories causing significant flooding and destruction. Formation: ARs form from high evaporation over warm tropical oceans, guided by low-level jet streams toward mid-latitudes, condensing into rain or snow when forced upward by mountains or fronts. Global impact: ARs are most common in mid-latitudes and responsible for over 90% of poleward water vapor transport. ARs and India. India experiences numerous AR events, mainly during the monsoon season, with ARs linked to major floods like those in Uttarakhand 2013 and Kerala 2018. Climate change impact: rising temperatures increase atmospheric moisture, intensifying ARs and leading to longer, wider, and more extreme events, doubling the frequency of intense ARs. Warmer air can hold about 7% more moisture for each 1 degree Celsius increase. Hurricane-like conditions. ARs can cause hurricane-like conditions with intense rainfall, cyclone-force winds, and high waves. Increased intensity. While frequency may not increase, the intensity of ARs is expected to rise, leading to more severe flooding worldwide.